A woman can lie with her words. She can lie with her silence. But there is one thing she can never lie with: her subconscious body language. When a woman is biologically attracted to you, her brain releases a cocktail of chemicals: dopamine, oxytocin, and adrenaline. These chemicals force her body to react in ways she cannot control. Most men are too blind to see these signals. They wait for her to say something. But by the time she speaks, you have already missed the moment. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 unconscious signs that prove you are already in her head. If you see sign number 4, do not ignore it. It is the strongest signal of biological attraction. Sign number 1 is called displacement activity. When she is around you, pay close attention to her hands. If she feels intense attraction, she has excess nervous energy. Her subconscious tries to release this energy by touching objects nearby. She might stroke the stem of her wine glass, play with her necklace, or run her fingers through her hair repeatedly. Psychologically, she is transferring the desire to touch you onto the objects around her. If she is constantly fidgeting with something while looking at you, she isn't bored. She is imagining something else. Sign 2, the triangle gaze. Eye contact is normal, but the triangle gaze is seductive. If she looks at your eyes, then drops her gaze to your lips, and then back up to your eyes, she has just subconsciously signaled a desire to be kissed. This happens in a split second. It is a biological reflex. Her eyes are scanning the part of you she wants to engage with. If you catch her looking at your mouth while you are talking, she isn't listening to your words. She is looking at the target. Sign 3, the primping reflex. This is an evolutionary instinct. In the animal kingdom, females groom themselves when a high-value male appears. Humans are no different. Watch what happens the moment you walk into the room or approach her. Does she immediately smooth her dress? Does she fix her hair? Does she adjust her posture to stick her chest out? This is called preening. Her subconscious is screaming, "I need to look perfect for him." If she fixes her appearance the second she sees you, you are already a fantasy in her mind. Sign 4, the broken barrier, the strongest sign. Most people protect their personal space. They keep a barrier between themselves and others, like a crossed arm, a purse on the table, or a phone in their hand. If a woman fantasizes about you, she wants to remove all obstacles. Watch for the open posture. She will uncross her arms. She will move her phone aside. She will turn her entire torso to face you, exposing her neck and wrists, her vulnerable areas. She is subconsciously signaling, "I am open to you. Come closer." Sign 5, the recall effect. This is less about body language and more about psychology. If she remembers small, insignificant details you mentioned weeks ago, she is obsessed. Did you casually mention you like black coffee? 2 weeks later, she brings it up. Why? Because when we fantasize about someone, we replay their conversations in our heads over and over again. We memorize them. If she knows more about you than you told her, she has been studying you. Women are not mysteries. They are broadcasting their desires 24/7. You just need to learn how to tune into the frequency. Next time you are with her, stop talking and start watching. The signs are there. If you want to master the art of female psychology, hit the like button and subscribe. Welcome to the truth.